Yeah, not being able to pick up my grandbabies, just thinking of stuff like that running through my mind. I mean, that's some of my biggest fears. My name is Mike Phillips. I'm an environmental safety officer from Houston, Texas. I've been married going on 30 years. Got married right out of high school. Known her all my life. I've got 2 kids, 27-year-old son and a 28-year-old daughter, and now 4 beautiful grandbabies. I was in an apartment complex. I went back down to my vehicle, and as I was walking down, got to the bottom floor, the 4th or 5th step before the very bottom. As I stepped on it and I heard it crack, as I looked down, I started falling forward. I reached out and I grabbed the handrail. That's what actually pulled some of my shoulder muscles and out and everything, but it eliminated me from falling all the way back to my head. And actually, I ended up hitting more the back part of my back, which compacted and compressed my lower 2 discs. That's the worst pain I've ever felt. I didn't have no means or way to get a hold of my wife, which was 3 stories up. I actually had to help myself back up and then go up to her. She helped me into the vehicle, and then we went to the emergency room. My wife's a stay-home wife, mother of our kids. I could just say they're my everything. So I got to provide for them. So I just knew at that time, I just thought something was really bad and I wouldn't be able to. The apartment complex actually said that they were going to help with some of the medical bills and all. And I tried toughing it to be able to go to work, but it wasn't getting things done. And my neighbor underneath me, where I was living at, was doing some stuff with Mr. Thomas J. Henry. And he actually gave me a card, and that very same day, that evening, I had an attorney come to the door. What I liked more than anything, he talked to me in terms that I understood. You know, one of the worst things you ever want someone to do is over-talk you and not understand what they're saying or anything like that. So as just a general person, one-on-one, sitting down talking to him, he made me feel comfortable. They would call me in every once in a while just to see how I was doing. Generally just made me feel comfortable overall. People did say, you've got the best there is, the best attorney there is. You should be doing very well, very good. So I was glad to hear that. Physically, I'm feeling a lot better. Granted, I have screws and rods in my back. You know, I'll never be 100%, but I do feel that the journey I went through with Mr. Thomas J. Henry made it the best it can be. I'm able to pick up my grandbabies now. So that's a plus. Thomas J. Henry, I guess, is real people. I mean, literally they talk to you, they talk in your language, not only take care of you, help take care of your family and make sure you're taken care of well.